Demo day today.
How excited he is.
We back. Test, test, test. Life on top of the deck is better, you see. Let us see. Oh, I'm so happy. Massive serotonin boost today. This whole thing's gonna be redecked, picture framed, give it a nice facelift. It's like a clean and jerk. I don't want to crowd up the gym for people that need it, you know? I don't need it. I got decks. A lot of times what I'll do, you know, is as I'm going, I'll get some lunges in, you know. And then, you know, you always got the shoulder workout with the lumber carrying on it. Get it up in here and whoop-bam! So the frame on this one's actually going to stay. We're just going to kind of fix any joists that are like rotten or like really bad, need fixed. But then we're going to be blocking a bunch to make sure that we can picture frame around the whole deck. And then we'll joist tape everything so it holds its structure longer than it has already. But just as easy as that.